Ready to ditch the 9-to-5 and unlock your freelance design potential with Toptal? Let's dive into how to become a Toptal designer, a platform renowned for connecting top talent with exciting remote projects. First up, application. You'll head to the Toptal website and begin by clicking the Apply as a Freelancer button located at the top right, where you'll fill out the initial registration and start with providing your basic info. The application process is multi-stage, is designed to identify the best of the best. Think of it as a series of crucial hurdles. Don't feel discouraged. Since it is rigorous, it also sets you apart. After the initial application, get ready for the skill assessments. Pay very close attention in these tests. The second stage assesses your technical design skills. Often, this will involve a series of time tests. Expect challenges related to design fundamentals like typography, color theory, layout, and project-specific tasks. Be prepared to showcase your problem-solving abilities. Keep up the pace while staying calm. Next, you'll progress to interviews. There'll be a language and personality assessment to evaluate your English skills and ability to communicate effectively. Next, you will have a technical interview with a Toptal engineer or senior designer. Be prepared to discuss your portfolio, design process, and past projects. Now you'll have more interviews, including a project-based one. Toptal aims to assess your capability to work on design projects with real-world constraints. Similar to what you face with their clients, focus on your ability to communicate to clients, not just your design skills. This can be tough, so make sure your skill sets are up to par. If you pass each stage, congratulations. While you're in, you'll gain access to a thriving remote design community and a steady stream of high-quality projects. Remember to showcase your strongest work, practice your skills, and highlight your soft skills, such as communication. Good luck with your application, and start your freelance design journey today.